Hello math science students. Okay, so here I'm with the first question from problem set 12.2, which is given page number 79. And let me remind you, in our previous video we saw examples, or we saw the solved examples. Okay, so let's get started with the first question. See, mother is 25 years older than her son. Find son's age if after 8 years the ratio of son's age to the mother's age will be 4/9. First, understand the equation. The mother is 25 years older than her son. Mother, he is 25 years older than her son, and find son's age if after 8 years ratio of the son's age to the mother age will be 4/9. Here, the son's age is not given. The son's age is not given. We have to find out the ratio of son's age to the mother's age. If will be, that is given. This fraction is given, that is 4/9. The son's age is doesn't given, and the mother is 25 years older than her son. So by using this ratio, we have to find out the son's age. Then her mother is his mother is 25 years older than him. So we have to find out the mother age too. Okay. So see the solution how we have to solve. As you know that we doesn't know the age of son, present age of son, even the present age of mother too, because this is given कि after 8 years the ratio is this. After 8 years means after the 8 years of son's age and after the 8 years of mother's age too. Then the mother is 25 years older. Now it means the age of mother is not given, even the age of sons is not given. So see how to solve it. First we have to find out their present age, their recent age. So we have to write suppose the present age of son be a x y z, wherever. Suppose I'm taking the present age of the son be x years, x year, and the present age of mother be, suppose the present age of mother be, present age of mother, mother is 25 years older than her son, 25 years older than son. It means x plus 25. We took the present age of sons be x year, and his mother is 25 years older than him. So x plus 25. Am I right? Years. Now this is the ratio for the present age, and what is given after this, the son's age after 8 years, and after 8 years the mother's age will be 4/9. After 8 years, it means to the ratio to the both ages we have to add 8, so we have to write after 8 years of son's age, it means x plus 8, because we supposed x is the age of son, x plus 8 years. Are you getting me? Like this. After 8 years of mother's age, 8 years of mother's age, what we took, x plus 25 for the mother's age, no? So x plus 25, and like we add 8 into the son's age, like this we have to add 8 into mother's age, years. Are you getting me? See, this is the present age of the sons, because that doesn't given, that we have to find. We suppose this is the x age of the sons, and this x plus 25, this is the mother's age. Now after 8 years we add 8 into the both ages ratios. Okay, then therefore according to these equations we have to write, according to equations, what we get according to these equations? Sorry. See, x plus 8, this is the son's age, upon x plus 25 plus 8 is equal to, the ratio is given in equation, that is 4/9. 4/9. See the next step, that is, okay, therefore x plus 8 upon x plus 25 plus 8. Can we add this both? 25 plus 8? Yes, 25 plus 8 will be 33 is equal to 4/9. See, this is LHS, this is RHS fraction. Do the cross multiplication. Therefore, 9 multiplied by x plus 8 is equal to 4 multiplied by x plus 33. Okay, do the multiplication. 9 multiplied by x, that is 9x plus 9 8s are 72. Multiplied this 9 with this x and 9 with this 8. Okay, like this. 4 multiplied by x, that is 4x plus 33 4s are, that is 4 3s are 12, 2 carry 1, 4 3s are 12 and 1 13, 132. Now can you see, this is the term, this is number, this is term, this is number. So take both term together and take both numbers together. So this is 9x, write 9x. It has plus sign whenever you will take to the left hand side of equal sign, which comes in negative or minus. So 4x, that will be in minus, is equal to 132 will be here as it is, and 72, it has a plus sign whenever you will take 72 to the right hand side of equal sign, which comes in minus, and minus 72. Okay, so 9x minus 4x, that is 5x. 5x is equal to 132 minus 72. 132 minus 72, 0, 13 minus 7, 6, 60. Okay, so 5 is in multiplication with this x, write x as it is over here. Take 5 in division, because this is in multiplication. Whenever you will take 5 to the right hand side, it will comes in division. So divided, 5 is a 5, 5 is a 5, this is 6, carry 1, it became 10, 5 is a 10. X is equal to 12, x is equal to 12. Now tell me, 12 is what? This is the sun's age, है ना? What we took, present age of the sun be x, this is the value of this x. The present age of her son is 12 years. 12 years. So what next? Therefore, present age of her sons is 12 years. 12 years. Therefore, present age of mother is, the mother's we took x plus 25, है ना, for the mother's age. Now tell me, the value of x is 12 years, so 12 plus 25, it will be 7, and this 3 plus 2 plus 1 3, that is 37. 37 is what? 37 years. See, so this is the present age of son is 12 years, and his mother is older 25 years than him, so her recent age is 37 years. Hope you understand this. So that was the solution for question number first. Hope it will help you to solve the question number second. So try to solve question number second as a homework. Okay, for this, thank you.